Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a credit card on Target. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in target.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Target website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, if you wish to apply for a credit card, click on Target Circle Card at the top section. Now you will be able to see the various details about the Target Circle Credit Card. Click on Apply for Credit and now you will need to fill up all of your credentials. Enter your first and your last name, your email address, followed by your entire home address. Then enter your phone number and then click on the Continue button. You can choose the option to have your card added to your account immediately, or you can choose the other option where you will have to do it manually. Then click on Continue and you will need to go through 4 other steps of filling up your information. Once you have filled up all of your information and you have qualified for the program, you will get an email notification or a text SMS letting you know about your credit card approval status. Once your card has been approved, it will either be added directly to your Target account or sent to you through mail. And there you have it. That is how you can apply for a credit card on Target. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.